They look. Look at it. Wow.
348. Oh, they got original Chicago.
Reese's Heat. The Hershey S'mores. Okay. These, but they do today, so I'm going to get some today.
And what I want y'all to see, she said, when I come in the store, I made the trip long, and I just want to look at stuff, put stuff in the bucket. This all her, none of me.
Okay. You going to eat something though, right?
I'll eat tomorrow. I ain't going to eat that much.
You not going to eat none today?
I'll eat tomorrow. I'm eating food.
Okay. What did he say, y'all? What did he say?
I picked up one thing.
What did he say?
I picked up one thing.
But he just talked about me. That's why you should never say nothing when you in the store, because you know you're going to get some.
Now, see, Walmart will do that.
Guys, he is the big banana pudding. And y'all see all them cookies? I know. You going to just dig in. They got them some Cool Whip, the extra creamy. They can put on top when they get ready to eat it. And it is deep, y'all. Y'all, that mama been feeling sick too, but she managed to get up and she cooked. And this is what we had picked up yesterday. So she fried the chicken legs. She got a few more in, or 2 more in there. She did some green beans, and Jordan about to peel me some potatoes. And I'm just gonna pop them in the oven. And put some salt, some seasoning and some butter and cheese on there. All right, I'm gonna let Jordan pour the butter over it, and I'm gonna cover it. I'm gonna let it go 20 minutes on 350. And so they got butter on every layer, the bottom layer, the middle layer, and the top.
It's white outside, and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air, that every child got their hearts filled up with joy. Yes, it's Christmas all around. Oh, snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you.
We in here. We're gonna run in and out because it is a lot of people. It's a good bit of people. All they got is the small ones. Let's see. Vanilla, banana. That should be enough. And I got heavy cream at home. I gotta get some whipped cream. Yeah, and I gotta get some whipped cream. Excuse me. I guess I'll get me some hot. I'm gonna buy me one and she can get hers. But I need some white milk and chocolate milk. Oh, look at this. They look. Look at it. Wow.
348.
They got the Rolo Colitis, Kit Kats,
I don't know how to Kit Kat.
vanilla wafers, cheesecake, crumbles.
Oh, they got original Chicago. They got
How many you get though?
one. No, it's small.
You get 2 of these for $3.32. I can make my own.
You get what? How many of these for $3.48?
You get 4 of those. I mean, that's a pretty good deal. And then they got the Hershey, Reese's Heat, the Hershey S'mores. Okay. cheesecake batter for him. Cheesecake factory. Okay. Ain't that right? Okay. Yeah, I just showed that. And they got the Cheesecake Factory ones. The Temptation Jug. Lemon meringue.
Heavy cream, dark chocolate, and eggs. Yeah, that sounds like a food.
You got my milk?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you get the right one? Oh, he was asking. Okay. What else? Oh, they over here, the vanilla wafers. I gotta get some Cool Whip. And vanilla wafers. Vanilla wafers would be. Would the vanilla wafers be there or over here? You sure? Cause them crackers, ginger snaps. I don't see them over here. I don't know, baby. They might be on the other side. They ain't over here. Closest to club crackers. Well, they'll probably be up here. If they have some. Excuse me. I don't see them at all. I don't see none at all. Back up since after Thanksgiving. But I'm going to buy me some. Well, I bet you I'm going to find me some. I'm going to make them do with something. Shoot, I'll do regular vanilla cookies and layer them. You think I won't? They don't even have a, okay, well, you're going to make it do what it do. Let me tell y'all what your girlfriend do. I'm about to either get me some vanilla Oreos or I'm going to do the vanilla sandwiches.
You got butter cookies?
Where you see butter cookies at? I don't think they have any. Because them the ones I usually get for Mama, they be right there. Mm-hmm. Yep, because I get them for Mama. Now, I got a pack at home, but it ain't going to be enough. Yeah, just get the vanilla ones, because we going to make it do what it do. Yeah, all I need is the top from it.
Banana pudding with a twist.
Yeah, cool.
Get on banana.
Whatever. Well, they don't have any, so. And they didn't have any of these, but they do today, so I'm going to get some today.
Family, I just want y'all to see. You said when I come in the store, you record?
Yes.
Family, I want y'all to see. She said, when I come in the store, I made a trip along and I just want to look at stuff, put stuff in the bucket. This all her, none of me.
Okay. You going to eat something though, right?
I'll eat tomorrow. I ain't going to eat that much.
You not going to eat none today?
I'll eat tomorrow. I'm eating food.
Okay.
What is it?
No, y'all heard it? What did he just say? But he just picked something up.
Nah, I ain't put it in the bucket.
Whatever. I'm not with him. I'm not. What did he say, y'all? What did he say?
I picked up one thing.
What did he say?
I picked up one thing.
But he just talked about me. That's why you should never say nothing when you in the store, because you know you're going to get something.
Now, see, Walmart will do that to you.
Hi, Mr. Jackson. How are you?
Is that illegal?
Okay. Cool. Well, this one here is the original. This one here is the extra.
Creamy.
Okay, open it. I'm gonna get 2 extra creams.
You want 2 of these?
Yes.
I wonder why they don't never sell the extra creamy in like the big one. Like, I just eat this just.
Am I gonna need 3 though? Cause I'm making a lot. Let me get 3.
How much that big thing is?
But that's the original. I prefer the extra cream. Cause the big one $250. That's $126. So it'll be alright.
Sorry.
Oh, you're fine. Alright, y'all. We finna pay for this stuff and be out of here. Be out of here. Okay, almost out of here. Almost out of here.
You don't even know.
You didn't need none of them bugles. Yeah.
Got him.
You didn't need them bugles, honey. I'm not with him. Alright, let's go. What's up, family? Welcome back to the family channel and our crew. If y'all seen the very first part of our walkthrough, y'all pretty much seen what we got. But I'm going to go ahead and show y'all anyway for anybody who missed it. Excuse me. I got 2 things of these Chips Ahoy's. One of them Alicia asked me to get for her. And one I just picked up for the house. I got 5 things of the Jello instant banana. The banana cream Jello is the pudding for the banana pudding mix. Y'all excuse my voice, but y'all know I've been sick. I got a thing of bugles, the nacho cheese, some styrofoam bowls. I got 3 things of Cool Whip, the extra creamy. One I'm gonna fold into the banana pudding, and the other one it'll just go on top. I got 1 thing of bananas. And let me tell y'all, they did not have any vanilla wafers, and y'all seen that in that video. But I do have some butter cookies, and I got some of these. I'm gonna just take the cookie off and I'm gonna crumble it just on top. And then I got, this is the other thing of Chips Ahoy, the chunky. I got a thing of the Great Value cupcakes. Y'all know I told y'all I like these better than the brand name ones. I got 1 more thing of white milk and 1 more thing of boiling chocolate milk. And that was it. We was just in and out of there. But it was a lot of people. And I told y'all that mama been feeling sick too, but she managed to get up and she cooked. And so, and this is what we had picked up yesterday. So she fried the chicken legs. She got a few more in here, or 2 more in there. She did some green beans. And I already had washed my hands. And she did some rice. And Jordan about to peel me some potatoes. And I'm just going to pop them in the oven. And put some salt, you know, some seasoning and some butter and cheese on there. So I'm about to go ahead and get started on both of these things so we can be done by 12 o'clock and sit down and just watch the game and relax, because y'all know we ain't feeling good up in here. So I thank you guys for watching. Thank y'all for coming with us real quick in Walmart, watching this haul. I hope you guys stayed to the end. We will have more videos coming up for you guys this week, so y'all stay tuned for that on both channels. Well, actually all 3 channels, the cooking channel as well. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Y'all stay blessed. We love you all, and we'll see y'all soon.
And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love.